Myths and legends. Things that chill our bones and tickle our curiosity. Reality, or just something we inherited through history? Are you ready to find out about something new?
Today we will be talking about two legends from the coastal part of Croatia. The first one is the legend of Bura. But before we start, let's go through some facts. Bura is a strong northeast wind that blows mostly in the east part of the Adriatic Sea. In strength, it can gain up to 125 kilometers per hour. Wind strength and often cause traffic disruption all over the coastline. And now we are getting back to the mythology. Once there lived a beautiful young noble woman named Bura. It is said that she was beautiful but very presumptuous. Bura would turn down all men that courted her, saying she was too beautiful for any of them. One day, as she was walking along the Velebit mountain, Bura stated that she was beautiful even more than the immortal fairies, as at that moment God had enough of her arrogance and struck her with lightning, casting her straight to hell. From that moment on, whenever a woman would brag about her beauty, Bura would start sighing, remembering the days when she was that vain, and bring forth the devastating winds.
There is yet another legend about Bura. In some parts of Croatia, people say that Bura is a wind woman that hurts herself by crashing on rooftops and trees when someone curses at the wind. In revenge, she will light a fire to the house of the man who cursed at her. That's why in past, no one cursed at the wind. The second legend is the one of the cursed fisherman. The story takes place at a sea strait called Senjska Vrata, that is located between Baška and the island Prvić. It is interesting to mention that Bura wind is the most common in that spot. Once upon a time there lived a fisherman who was engaged with a young woman from Baška. But instead of marrying her, he decided to live with another woman. Heartbroken, the hurt girl took her boat and rowed to Senjska Vrata. As she threw her engagement ring into the sea, she cursed the man, saying, "Let the sea swallow you as he swallowed this damn ring." As the fisherman also refused to give his share of money for the church of St. Nicholas, who is the protector of the local fishermen, God got angry with him and sank his boat into the Senjska Vrata. From that moment on, his spirit is seen rowing for all eternity in the storm, unable to reach the shore, right in the spot where his fiancée threw the ring. So, there you have it. Bura, the unfaithful fisherman and the vengeful god. Myth or reality? It is up to you to decide. And remember, never to be presumptuous or unfaithful, or bad luck will surely come your way. Well, hi there. Thank you for making it till the end. So, you love books? Be sure to check out my two books that are based on mythology. So, check the links down below in the comments. Share the video, like the video, subscribe, feel free to comment, and this has once again been one of Croatia's myths and legends. My name is Jelena Hrvoj.
And I'm Daniel Fiket.
And we will hear you next week. So bye guys.
Bye.